ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ವೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಪಂಚೆ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂದೆ ವೈಟ್ ಅಂದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಗ್ರೂಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೆ.
Aishwarya is my beloved daughter. We have a lot of memories about her. From the childhood, she has been independent. I feel very, very happy and proud.
ಅಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ನೀನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನೋ ತಪ್ಪೇನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು ನಿನಗೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಚಿತ್ರ.
संकल्प के बारे में कुछ बोलना है तो मेरे लिए तो शब्द भी कम पड़ेंगे, क्योंकि उसका मेरे जीवन में आना ही बहुत कुछ मायने रखता है.
Sankalp is very sincere boy and he is best hard worker.
Translate ಮಾಡಿ.
He is telling you do not want any family life or anything. You want to take sannyas and go away. So your father-in-law is going to stop you, saying he is going to give you his darling daughter. So please do not take sannyas is what he is trying to say.
ಕಾಶಿ ಯಾತ್ರೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ದೀಕ್ಷೆ ಬೇಕೋ
ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸಂಸಾರಿ ಕಾಶಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ we are not allowing you to go to Kashi.
So you want to go this way or this way?
ಯಾರು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಲೇಟು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
So all of them would be like gods and goddesses. So you have to just pray that they bless you wholeheartedly.
ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸಭಾ ವಂದನಾಯೇ ನಮಃ ಸಭಾ ದೈವತಾಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೀಳ್ತೀರಾ ಯಾರು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಅರೂಢರಾದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಯಾಣ ಮಂಟಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಯಾದಾನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಗುರು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಆಶ್ರಯದಂತೆ ಕನ್ಯಾದಾನ ಮಾಡಲು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕನ್ಯಾದಾನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದವರು ತಥಾಸ್ತು.
ಶುಭಾಶಯವಿದೆ ಅಕ್ಷತೆಯೂ ಇದೆ ಮದುವೆಯ ವಾದ್ಯ ಮೊಳಗಿದೆ ಅತ್ತ ಇತ್ತ ಜನ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರು ಮದುವೆಗೆ ಬಂದವರು ಹರಸಿದರು ಮಂಗಲ್ಯಂ ತಂತು ನಾನೇನ ಮಮ ಜೀವನ ಹೇತುನಾ ಕಂಠೆ ಬದ್ನಾಮಿ ಶುಭಗೆ ಸೀತಾ
We fight like cat and dogs. We care from inside, but sometimes you don't make it obvious, and now sometimes I regret it. I'm gonna miss her a lot. I haven't told you directly, but yeah, I love you.
I know it's a big journey ahead for both of us, but I just want you to feel like this is the home where you can just feel like, there's a place for you in this world and it's always going to be yours. Trust me when I say this, and become a partner that you always wanted to be or you always dreamt of. From everything that I can do, I want to make your life so much peaceful and so much happy.
We support each other when the other person is in panic mode. I'll always promise to make him laugh, even through difficult times. I'll keep doing that forever, and I promise to love him forever.
मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम इश्क तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम तेरा नाम मेरा नाम इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क ये ऐब इश्क ये मैल इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क ये ऐब इश्क ये मैल इश्क
Oh, yeah, you're coming.
ಹೇಳಿ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ
Seventh step is for in all these In all these
ಒಂಥರ
stages of
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆಯಾಗಿ
life, I should be as his partner and friend in life.
ಏಳು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆನೇ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಇಡಿ ಜೋಪಾನ ಓಕೆ ಓ ನನ್ನ ನಲ್ಮೆಯ ಜಾಣ ಮರಿಯೇ ಎನ್ನ ಹೃದಯ ಕಮಲವನ್ನು ನಿನಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಮುನಿಗುರ ತಾರೆಯ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬದುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಬಂದೆಯ ಓ ನನ್ನ ಜಾಣ ಮರಿಯೇ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ.
You have to
ಅದೇ
say
ನಮ್ಮ
like,
heart beat ನ
my love, something like that. Seeing Arundhati, he said like that in Kannada, dude. Like,
Oh my love, seeing the brightness of this nakshatra, something
you
that we
repeated.
should get in our life.
You're embarking on a new journey of life, and I wish you all the best. So, my child, stay happy, stay blessed, and enjoy life.
It was fun growing up with you. We've had a lot of great memories. I'm always there for you. We might not be very close or as close as we used to be, but I'm there. Just know that. And yeah, I'll miss you.
ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ಜೀವನ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂತೀಯ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಜಾಣ ನೀನು. ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಮಿಸ್ ಯು.
Nobody else could have been better parents for me. Yeah, I'll miss them a lot.
I'm not doing this separately. Don't. She deserves all the happiness in the world, and I'm sure she will. This is the way she will.
Miss you a lot.
What he has achieved till date, that is on his own. We couldn't support him properly. But he did on his own. That is creditable for him. They should live happily forever, and they should care for his parents, her parents, for both of them.
ಅನ್ನ ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ. ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ವಜ್ರ ತರಬೇಕು.
So I wish all the sankalps of Sankalp come true, and obviously now Aishwarya is with him, so he is Aishwarya Sampanna, and I wish both of them a great success.
I'm so happy to know that you found a very good soulmate, Sankalp, a very humble person. I wish you both a very happy married life.
You've made us proud in a lot of ways, and I'm glad that you've found one of the best mates for yourself, and I want to see you both have a wonderful and fantastic life.
How much price do you want?
How much should I ask for?
ಎಷ್ಟು?
Saying your love is enough is what you should.
ಹೌದಾ? ಒಪ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಹಂಗಾರೆ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬೇಕಾ? ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಗೆದ್ದಿದ್ದು.
I'm going to office. You take care of this. Without eating food, you have to go to office. Because I'm
ನಾನು ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಿನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.
You will eat in hotel.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ.
Why I am lucky? Because I am a very difficult person to handle, and I think nobody could have done better in that department.
I think I am lucky because I need the push. I need somebody who really understands me, and I think she does a wonderful job at that. And I don't know, just feel me with her.
Moment of truth. Now you're gonna tell exactly how you felt the first time you saw each other. The first impression, basically.
Rude, bossy, arrogant.
Oh.
That's the certification of truth.